Hi friends, this is your Python partner here. So let's continue discussing our turtle module. So from start of this program, as usual, as we have imported the desired classes like turtle and screen from turtle module, and we have created two objects like toy for the turtle class and screen for the screen class. Okay, and we have already discussed forward of method, right? So there is another one method, that is FD of method. Okay, it is same as forward of method, it's just a slight variation in name, so you can use anything as you wish and the functionality remains the same. Okay, so here in our program, first I'm asking the turtle to have red color and I'm asking it to move forward by passing in 100 steps. Then I'm asking it to change the color to green. Then I'm using FD of method by passing in 200 steps. So on seeing this output, you can clearly see. So first it was turtle in red color, then it took 100 steps forward, then it changed its color to green, and again this FD method is nothing but it is moving forward, right? So 200 steps it moved forward further. Okay, so we have already discussed backward of method. So there are two other methods, back of method and BK of method. Both has the same functionalities like our backward of method. So it just brings our turtle to move backwards, that is opposite to the direction headed by the turtle. So here in this program, I have used that three methods. Okay, just I have used different other colors when it is switching from one method to another. So once when we run this program and you see this output, you can clearly see. So while it was blue, it took 100 steps backward. Then it changed its color to red. Then it took 50 steps backward. Then it changed its color to brown. Then it took 200 steps backward. So the function remains same. Just the variation in the names is what we can see. So we have already discussed right of method. Okay, so what it does, turtle will be turned to right, or you can say is clockwise direction, depending upon the angle that we are passing in. So the RT of method does the same thing. Okay, so in this program, yes, I have used the color variation, and as well I asked our turtle to move forward by 100 steps. Okay, so while we run this, you can clearly see. So at first our turtle was blue, then it take a right turn of 90 degree, then it moved 100 steps, then again it changed its color to green, again it turned to right by 50 degree, then again it moved forward to 100 steps. Fine. We have discussed the left of method, right? So LT of method does the same function, okay, by letting a turtle to turn left or anti-clockwise direction. So in this program, yes, I have used the color variation as well as I use that left of method and LT of method. And as well, I am asking our turtle to move forward after every left turns it take. Okay, so on seeing this output, you can clearly see at first our turtle was red color, then it took 90 degree left and it moved forward 200 steps. Then again it changed its color to green, then it turned to left by 30 degree. Then again it took a forward step of 200. Okay, yes. So now let's see about the goto of method. Okay, so in this goto of method, we have to pass in x and y coordinates. Okay, so our turtle just moves in a straight line from its current position to the target position. That is some xy we are going to pass in, right? So like that. And here how it is moving in sense, and positive x moves the turtle to right and negative x moves the turtle to left, and positive y moves the turtle upward and negative y moves the turtle downward. Okay, so here in this program, yes, at first I changed the shape of turtle to turtle, then again I set the color to red, and in goto of method at first I have passed in the coordinates minus 50 and 70, then again I changed the color to green, again I passed in 70 and 70. So on seeing this output, you can clearly see. So from the center of the screen, yes, it was in red color, then it went directly to that minus 50, 70. Okay, and from there it changed its color to green and it, yes, go straight to that point 70 and 70. Okay, so this is how our goto method works. Okay, it is traveling in that straight line. And similar to goto method, we have another methods like set position. It does the same thing. Okay, so in the same program, I'm changing that last goto method with the set position of method. Okay, no other things I'm changing here. So let's see the output. So our output remains the same, right? Yes. So there is another one method, that is setpos of method. Okay. It is similar in functions as the same. And in the same program, as I'm going to change the last line, now it is toy.setpos of 7070. Okay. So once again, we are just going to run this program and see. Yes. The output remains the same, right? Yes. So goto method, set position of method and set pose of method, they are similar in functions. Okay, you can use anything as you wish. Okay. Then there is circle of method. Yes, it helps us to draw the circle like depending on the radius that we are passing inside it. Okay, so here in this program at first I've changed the color to orange, then I want the toy to draw the circle with the radius 60 degree. Then I'm asking that turtle to move forward 100 steps. Then again I'm changing its color to blue. Then I want the circle to be drawn with 20 radius. Okay, so let's see. So our turtle has really done whatever we asked it to, right? Yes. Now if you look at this, if you feel like you want these two circles, but then you don't want this intermediate line, but our turtle has to move aside and have to draw the circle. So what we can do about it? Yes. So we have two methods here. It is pen up of method and pen down of method. Okay. These two methods really gives us the freedom, like we can decide where should our turtle draw and where it should not. Okay. In this program, yes, after drawing that orange circle, I have called for pen up of method. Then it is moving to forward 100 steps. Then again we are calling for pen down of method. Then again that blue circle is being drawn. So let's see the output, okay? See, after drawing that orange circle, our turtle had really moved 100 steps forward, but we can't see the trails because we have asked for pen up of method, okay? So after reaching that 100 steps, again we have called for pen down of method. Now it has drawn that blue circle and it is visible. Okay, so this is it. So there is another method called home of method. Okay, it is nothing but it just moves our turtle back to its origin, that is the coordinate 0, 0. Okay, so let's use that method here in the same program. So at the end, after drawing our blue circle, I have changed the color to green and now I'm calling that home of method. Let's see the output. See? Yes, it had drawn that orange circle, blue circle, and after completing it, it changed its color to green and then it came back to home. So now let's see how we can control the visibility of our turtle. Okay, so there is a method called a hideturtle of method. So once when we call this method, our turtle just draws whatever things we want it to, but then it won't show up. Okay. So here in this program, yes, I've called that hideturtle of method and I'm asking the turtle to draw the circle of radius 60. See the output? Circle is there, but our turtle friend is missing, right? Yes. So now if you feel like after drawing the circle, I want to see my turtle friend, then what you have to do? Yes, in the program, yes, you have to call showturtle off. So the output will be like, while it is drawing that circle, we can't see our turtle friend. So once the circle is completed, our turtle friend will come out as we want it to, right? Okay. If you feel little bit lazy at times and you want something short and crispy, instead of this hideturtle and showturtle, yes, it is available. So you can use ht of method instead of hideturtle. As well, you can use st of method instead of showturtle of method. Fine? Yes. So in the program, I have just changed those two lines. Yes, our output remains the same. So friends, that's it for the session today and I hope you really understand this. So today we have discussed some number of methods and as well, yes, many methods with same functionalities. So for every function, choose a method that you are very comfortable with and you can use that in your programs. And as well, you can get to know if other programmers are using other method names for the same functions that you are using. And yes, don't forget to like and share this video. And as well, most important thing is, yes, join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey most interesting and fun-filled one. Bye-bye and take care.